it's me. I'm just popping in for a little bit of a life update. Quite a lot has happened since the last time I posted. I started a new job, took a trip to Taiwan, came back, moved to a new apartment, and then went to LA to celebrate New Year's, all within 3 weeks. So it's been busy to say the least, but in a good way. I hope everyone had a fantastic holiday season and 2025 is treating you well so far. And now let's roll the clips. Hello and welcome back to another vlog. This one's a little different because in a couple of days we will be moving. This is my first time moving with NSF. I've been in the same apartment ever since I moved here over 3 years ago, so I've accumulated a lot of stuff over time. I just got back to the country yesterday from Taiwan, and even though I'm pretty tired, we only have a couple of days to get everything packed, clean this place out, and move everything over. Let me show you guys the progress that I've made so far on packing. So this is my room. It honestly doesn't look too bad from this angle, but if you turn around, you'll see there's boxes everywhere. This I'm selling. It just reminds me of college, like this IKEA dresser that everyone has. But other than that, I'll be taking everything. And then my closet, I've done a lot of emptying out already. Believe it or not, this is my closet half empty. My next place will definitely not have this much space, but honestly, no one should need this much room in their closet. For the rest of the place, I'm not even gonna go into the bathroom because honestly, it's a mess in there and I really need to clean it. But the living room is where the most chaos is. As you can tell, boxes everywhere. Yeah, this is not good. This whole situation is not good. I'll also be taking most of the furniture in this room except the couch. I really hate this couch. It's really old and stained and I don't think anyone will want it. I'm just going to schedule it for recycling pickup and then get a new couch, I think on Facebook Marketplace. As for the kitchen, this is probably the room that has the most packing done. Pretty much all of these cabinets are empty. I'm just trying to survive off of all the frozen food in the fridge for the rest of the week. And now the part that I am really stressed about is the cleaning. This is a pretty old building. Like, things just get dirty really easily. There's so much dust that comes through this apartment and they want me to like clean every single baseboard and the light switches and like scrub the whole place down. So that's gonna take a while. That's the current state of affairs. I will bring you guys along on this moving journey. This is my first time having to do this and I never want to do it again. Some of the stuff on this wall I've had since high school, which is really crazy to think about, but for me it's just a nice way to, I don't know, keep memories. It's kind of like my version of junk journaling. This is so sad for me to take down. I've slept by this little collage every day for the past 3 years. Little bit of an update. It's the next day and the place is looking much more organized. I think the worst part of this is I just really hate not having everything in its rightful place. To bring some order back into my life, I'm gonna paint my nails. Got a bunch of polishes while I was in Asia. I'll be using this one today from Two Moons. I got this on Shopee. I've never even heard of this brand, but I guess we'll try it out. Once I'm unpacked and situated, I'll do a haul of all the beauty that I bought in Asia. I also got a ton of ceramics for really cheap, and I'm excited to just take everything out so I can show you guys. All done! This red turned out a lot darker than I thought it would, but I actually really like it. The sun is finally out. I've been looking forward to getting a burrito all day from one of my favorite Mexican places, and turns out they're closed, which makes sense because it's Christmas Eve, but still, I'm very disappointed. And then I went to go order from 2 other burrito places that I also like, and they're both also closed. But I did manage to find one quesadilla spot that is open, so I'm on my way to pick that up now, and maybe this will be a blessing in disguise. Wow. She is gorgeous. I might pop one into the air fryer just to get it all crispy. Let's try one. I'm so excited. It's past 4 p.m. and this is the first thing I'm eating today, other than the coffee I had earlier this morning. But because of my jet lag, my appetite is all messed up. But I'm really hungry right now. I think this place is new. It doesn't have a ton of reviews and I've never seen it before, but it's really good. Today is moving day. So empty. Complete chaos. Oh my god. So clearly it's a mess, but it'll come together. It has been a very stressful day and I suddenly got hit with a wave of work. On the bright side, my little hanger hack that I learned on Reddit worked. You basically poke a hole in the bottom of a trash bag and then pull the hangers through, tie a rubber band around, tie the bottom, and then you can transport it really easily. Update, the movers have left. It's just me now. This is the current situation. This looks organized, but it's really not. I'm starting to feel a little woozy, so I'm gonna eat a little bit. I got some corned beef hash. I can't believe I ever considered doing this move without movers. At first I was just gonna rent my own U-Haul, but that would not have been good. I'm leaving for LA in a couple of days, so I really just want to get most of this done before I leave. Guess what time it is?
Pineapple cake time.
Too early for pineapple cake.
It's never too early.
He woke up, rolled to the side, and got a pineapple cake. Guess what day it is? Kithmas. No,
Kithmas.
wrong.
Rewind, retake.
Guess what day it is?
It's Kithmas.
Cute. He got us matching ones. And now he wants his other Kith sweatshirt back.
Yes, I'm gonna take
But
it back.
I'm not giving it to him. Yay. Stay home. We're almost done cleaning. It's probably the cleanest it's ever been, including when I moved in my opinion. I guess I'll do a little empty house tour. This is my bedroom. I love it because it's huge and gets a lot of natural light, but facing this street, which is a very busy street, killed me. There's so much traffic on this street and I can hear everything because the windows are single paned. It was hard to sleep. I could feel when the cars went by. Literally, the ground would shake. But I also had a huge closet. And then this is my roommate's room. I think this place was really nice because it had a ton of storage space. Hallway, another huge closet. Bathroom, pretty small, but got the job done. This is the living room. Didn't really use this space too much because the walls are so thin. It was hard to host people. The kitchen, honestly, it was pretty nice for my first apartment. The appliances were brand new when I moved in. There was a ton of storage. Definitely don't have this much storage now. Great first place to live in. I'll have fond memories of this place, but will I miss living here? Probably not. We're going to see my friend for the first time in a very long time. I haven't hung out with anyone since I got back. I literally just hermited and packed and cleaned for a week straight. Did I forget how to socialize? Maybe.
She's real awkward now.
Hi. What the heck?
How you doing?
The turns are pretty good. There we go.
Notice that you're running away. I know that you're hurting. Trying to get away from all the pain. Just drop all the bags down the joint and the liquor. They won't do no good, boy. Just look in the mirror. Remember who you are and see that.
Good morning. Jayo. Thank you. You single-handedly built this whole apartment. We almost have everything we need for the place. The last remaining essential piece that we need is the couch, which is being delivered in 10 minutes. I found a pretty nice living spaces couch on Facebook Marketplace for $200, and they're delivering it, which I think is a steal considering it retails for like $1,100, $1,200. Ooh, it's bright. It's so nice.
It really
It's
is.
actually so nice. I feel like I went up a tax bracket. This is great.
Thank you, YouTube.
Guys, YouTube's paying for this? Funny.
I love this couch.
Wait, let me try to lay down. I feel like if someone, my height sucked here.
Okay, Angela.
Angela's shorter than me.
I think even I could.